Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Cat Life. I'm Adia, and that's Nuria, and that's Huda. Where we headed, guys?
Savannah, Georgia.
That's right. We're headed to Savannah. We're actually in Charleston, South Carolina right now, so it's a short 2-hour drive to Savannah. Heard it's absolutely beautiful. We don't have much time there, maybe a day or two that we're gonna spend out sightseeing, but let's go ahead and check it out. Let's head on over there. All right, so we checked into Savannah at the Bohemian. Check out our other videos. I made a detailed video of this hotel, but let's go get some dinner now and check that out. So we're here at the rooftop at this hotel. It's actually pretty cool. Perfect weather right now. Water? We got water on the side. That's what she's trying to say. Yeah. All right, so we are at the Waterfront, right outside our hotel. So much going on. Want to see some ghosts?
I wanna go.
Ghosts aren't real, Silly.
I wanna go.
You think ghosts are real?
Yeah.
You do? Yeah. They're not real.
Let's go.
You want to see the ghost? These kids. That ship blowing that horn was cute at first, but now it's getting old. It's like every 10-15 minutes. Hope it's not all throughout the night, right? You got the JW Marriott on this side. This is actually pretty cool from the inside. We'll check it out in a little bit. We actually have dinner reservations there tomorrow. Actually, let's cross the street. Let's go this way.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, that looks cool. It caught my eye.
It's green. It changed colors. Look,
The lights?
Look at the tree. It changed colors.
I know. RGB is cool. You like that?
Yeah.
It's the little things that make them happy. There's a ship in the back going. You want to run through that water?
Yeah. No.
Yeah? Too late, right? Maybe in the morning.
Did I?
Oh, this looks so nice over here.
Yeah. Look how big that is.
Which way are we going? It's like a power plant. I think that's what it used to be. Something like that, or a factory. You want to see dinosaur bones?
Yeah.
And rocks?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I think it's inside this building right here.
I want to see. I want to see.
It's supposed to be a cool lobby. Check that out inside.
What's the lobby?
It's the hotel lobby. Hey, what's down there? Oh, that is so cool. You can purchase these, like this big rock right here. It's $1,300. Right there. Check out the price tag. Which one? The little one right there?
Yeah, I need.
Penny?
Yeah.
This one's 11 bucks.
Yeah. Can I buy it?
Yeah, you can afford that. All right, so we're starting our day off by getting some brunch at Madame Butterfly. It's like a 5-minute walk from our hotel, so let's check the place out. All right, so our hotel just got us a shuttle. We're gonna be taking a tour. It's kind of raining on and off today, so it's gonna help. Normally you gotta pay for it. I'm not sure what the exact charge is, but our hotel did comp it, so huge shout out to these guys. Well, we'll do a quick tour and show you guys what Savannah is all about. She's just here to look pretty. I'm gonna check in here and take a little tour. Got a lot of people out this way on one of those buses. Alright, so we're doing the on and off so we can get off on all the stops that this bus stops at. So we'll check out some of the things that this place has to offer now. Right? What do you keep eating, dude? What is that?
It's a candy.
It's a candy.
It's a candy.
Let me try.
I'm just moving my grandma. Me and Joe are way too much.
You like that?
Yeah.
It does not taste good.
It does.
You liked it? It's very, very sour. What is it? Sour or sweet? I can't even tell.
Sour.
Yeah.
It's a sour
That's
candy.
a strong taste. Alright, so we're going to the first stop and then 14 stops total. So let's check them all out.
Miss Mary Reed. Or Mark, as it were. Oh, come off it. In my time, there was plenty of reason to masquerade as a man, only if you had the courage to do it. Now.
Wine and beer were fine, but considering Savannah's climate today, it's really shocking.
There's building mighty airports out of practically nothing.
Alright, so we just got off at Forsyth Park. The best part about these buses is you could get on and off however many times you'd like. So let's check this place out because it's one of top attractions here at Savannah. It's actually raining right now, but with these trees, you don't feel a single drop. Look at this. Even the sidewalk is dry. Kind of. What's that? This park's actually very peaceful. There's a little playground there for the kids in the back. We'll go there.
We're gonna go there.
Yeah, we're gonna go there. Let's check out the fountain. Yeah, we're gonna go to the. Oh, look, she's navigating still. Where are we headed to?
But
The park.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife.
Take a real good look at that house. In 1952, a fellow named Walt Disney stayed at Hamilton Turner Inn and had a bejesus scared out by a ghost named Dennis Edwards. That building is your haunted mansion and all your Walt Disney theme parks.
Alright, so we just did the Old Savannah tours. I gotta give them a shout out. That was actually pretty good. Saved us a lot of walking. You can get on and off as many times as you like, obviously step by step. So we're back by our hotel now. We got off a little early from the tour. It was perfect, so we're just gonna do some shopping now, walk around. So they got riverboat cruises too. We did that in New Orleans. You wanna go on it again? Are you sure? Your hat's on backwards, boy. There you go. Now you look good. Alright, so we're heading out for dinner now to the JW Marriott. It's a steakhouse, so we'll be checking that out now. Let's head on over. Alright, we're back inside this hotel's lobby. We're gonna do a scavenger hunt now. Dinner was amazing, Webster and Stone. Highly recommend you guys check it out. Food was amazing. Limited options on the menu, but everything was phenomenal. It's upside down. Good job.
Did you find this one? Did you find this one?
yes.
Yay!
you an idea of what the entire Riverwalk here looks like and what's included. We are calling it a day, 2 days in Savannah, Georgia. If you guys have any questions about our trip, be sure to put it down in the comments below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys.
Bye. 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 Bye.